Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how you can delete your Groupme account. So have you gotten tired of using Groupme and now want to switch to something else, or just want to stop using Groupme altogether and delete your account permanently? If your answer is yes, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how your account deletion works on Groupme. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Groupme app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, also make sure that you're already logged into your account, and when you're already logged into your account, you will land on the chats interface like this. There you can see that on the top left corner there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the lines and then tap on your profile. As you tap on your profile, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you'll be displayed different information regarding yourself. Now all you have to do is scroll downwards until the end, where you can see an option that says delete Groupme account. So tap on delete Groupme account, and now here it says if you delete this account, all content associated with this account will be deleted from this device. You will not be able to log back in with this account. So if you abide by this, tap on continue. And as you tap on continue, it says here that because it needs to make sure that it is you who's trying to delete your account, you'll have to enter your password in this section. So make sure that you enter the correct password and then tap on continue. Once you confirm deleting your Groupme account, there's no going back. So this is basically how it works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been of guide to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.